Are you working with items in your assembly that are bought out items, like a pump or a motor? Typically, these items have extensive details that are completely unnecessary to your design. But you only need a few surfaces or maybe a component here or there to reference the rest of your components too. In situations like these, we often use the entire component as is. Now, in an assembly, there are many different ways to improve working with items like this and improve working with large assemblies and the performance of large assemblies, and we cover all of these in our assembly modeling training. Today, however, I'm going to show you a tool that you can consider using, the Speedpack. It is set up in the subassemblies that you are using in the Configuration Manager area. When you right-click, you can choose the Speedpack option. Here you can give your Speedpack a specific name. You can also choose the faces, parts, and other component or referent items like planes or axes to keep in the model. Once you create the Speedpack, you can save it to your subassembly. It will immediately become available. And when you open up your main assembly, you can choose to open the main assembly with Speedpacks loaded. You'll see once I load my assembly that it looks like all of the details are there. But if I hover over the items, you'll see all the unnecessary detail will disappear, and only the items I have chosen will remain. Another quick way for you to improve the performance of working with your assemblies. Give us a call or contact us if you are interested in learning more about the assembly modeling training. Thank you for joining this video.